These smart kitchen tools make everyday cooking way easier in 2026. But tool number 8 is solving a problem almost everyone struggles with. And the final gadget? It's so smart, people think it should cost 10 times more than it actually. Make perfect rice, grains, and oatmeal effortlessly with the Green Life ceramic non-stick rice cooker. Featuring a removable PFAS-free ceramic non-stick pot, one-switch operation, and automatic keep warm function, this compact cooker delivers easy, mess-free meals every time. Perfect for small kitchens and quick cooking, all for just $40. Enjoy endless cooking possibilities with the versatile 2-in-1 hot pot and griddle cooker. Perfect for frying, grilling, boiling, and roasting, this all-in-one appliance features a durable die-cast aluminum body, eco-friendly non-stick coating, and powerful 1200W fast heating for delicious meals with less mess. Designed with safe insulated operation, a tempered glass lid, and compact plug-and-play convenience, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen, all for just $254. Cook for the whole family with the Dash family-size skillet. Featuring a spacious 6-quart capacity and 14-inch non-stick surface, it's perfect for large meals. The tempered glass lid and cool touch handles ensure safe, easy cooking, versatile and convenient for any kitchen. Cook healthier and tastier meals with the Aosian 6-quart 2-tier steamer pot. Featuring a non-stick ceramic coating, spacious 2-tier design, and included ladle, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, soups, and stews with ease. Oven and dishwasher safe for simple cooking and cleanup, all for just $50. Cook perfect frittatas every time with the Cuisinart FP2-24BK 10-inch non-stick set, just $100. Designed with premium non-stick surfaces, it ensures easy food release and quick cleanup. The durable black and stainless steel construction delivers even heat for flawless cooking, making it ideal for eggs, omelets, and more. Create crispy, flavorful meals with the versatile Full-Will 6QD12-in-1 air fryer. Featuring 12 cooking functions including air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, plus a convenient viewing window and powerful 1700W heating up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This air fryer makes cooking fast and easy. With a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and family-size capacity, it's perfect for parties and everyday meals, all for just $70. Cook perfect rice in minutes with the Joseph M Cuisine microwave rice cooker. This 2-liter capacity steamer makes fluffy rice effortlessly in your microwave. Designed for convenience with easy handling and mess-free cooking, ideal for quick, everyday meals. Enjoy delicious barbecue-style meals at home with the 3-in-1 electric hot dog roller grill. This portable cooker features a non-stick smokeless grill, removable barbecue griddle plate, and stainless steel roller system that fits up to 9 sausages at once. Perfect for family parties, quick snacks, and indoor grilling fun, all for just $50. Pour with precision using the YoLife olive oil dispenser. This 20-ounce ceramic bottle features a gravity spout for smooth, controlled flow and a leak-proof design. Comes with 2 spouts and a funnel, perfect for oil, vinegar, or juice in any kitchen. Enjoy soft, chewable nugget ice anytime with the smart Ecosy Nugget Ice Maker countertop. Producing up to 44 pounds of pebble ice per day, this sleek countertop machine features convenient app control, self-cleaning technology, and fast ice production for drinks, parties, and everyday use. Stylish, efficient, and perfect for ice lovers. All for just $257. Make perfect homemade burgers every time with the Shape Plus Store Burger Master 8-in-1 burger press. This innovative tool lets you press and store up to 8 delicious quarter-pound burgers with ease. Featuring a freezer-safe design, easy release system, and dishwasher-safe cleanup, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for burger lovers. All for just $26. Make mealtime simple with the Cook with Color 2 Cutie Mini Slow Cooker. With adjustable settings, a removable stoneware pot, and a tempered glass lid, it delivers perfectly cooked meals every time. Dishwasher safe and designed with cool touch handles, it's compact, stylish, and perfect for everyday cooking. Introducing the StirMate Automatic Pot Stirrer Gen 3. your hands-free cooking companion for perfectly stirred dishes every time. With variable speed control and a powerful, self-adjusting design, it effortlessly handles everything from sauces to soups. This cordless gadget fits most pots and keeps your meals moving while you focus on other tasks. At just $84.89, it's a smart upgrade for any kitchen, making cooking easier, smarter, and stress-free. Organize your kitchen like a pro with the Ordora 8-tier pots and pans organizer. Featuring adjustable tiers and 3 DIY setup options, it neatly stores cookware of all sizes. Built for cabinets with a sturdy design, it maximizes space and keeps everything easily accessible. Smart, flexible storage made simple. Upgrade your pressure cooking with the original Sal Brie steamer basket. Made from durable stainless steel, it fits 6-quart instant pots and other cookers perfectly. Featuring a convenient silicone handle for safe lifting. Ideal for steaming veggies, dumplings, and more with ease. Cook delicious family meals with the versatile Imusa 6.9 QT Bistro Serra ceramic Caldero Dutch oven. Featuring durable aluminum construction, a non-stick ceramic interior, and a clear glass lid, this 6.9-quart pot is perfect for rice, stews, soups, and traditional recipes. Stylish, easy to clean, and ideal for everyday cooking. All for just $25. Enjoy barista-quality coffee at home with the Nespresso Citizen espresso machine by Delonghi. Its sleek design, fast heat-up, and one-touch operation deliver rich, flavorful espresso in seconds, perfect for elevating your daily coffee routine. Blend smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks in seconds with the powerful Topsy Personal Smoothie Blender. Featuring a 1000W motor, easy twist-on start and stop control, and a convenient 24 ounces to-go cup, this compact blender is perfect for busy mornings and healthy lifestyles. Fast, portable, and easy to clean, all for just $46. Toast smarter with the Conchiat 2-slice smart toaster. Featuring a touchscreen, 6 browning levels, and functions for reheat, defrost, and cancel, it delivers perfect toast every time. Extra-wide slots, removable crumb tray, auto pop-up, and anti-jam design make it safe and convenient. Sleek stainless steel meets 925W power for fast, flawless results. Upgrade your kitchen with the Charmline Smart Cutting Board and Knife Set. Designed with a space-saving holder, it features self-cleaning and drying technology for ultimate hygiene and convenience. Perfect for everyday use or as a thoughtful gift. Brings smart organization home for just $110. Transform your kitchen with the smart IMD multifunction auto dough food processor. Featuring a powerful 1700W motor, 2L capacity, Wi-Fi and app control, plus access to over 300 built-in recipes, this all-in-one machine can mix, knead, steam, cook, blend, and more with precision temperature and 10-speed control. Complete with multiple accessories, LCD display, and advanced safety protection, it's the ultimate smart cooking assistant. All for just $1,099. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the Cook with Color Nesting Bowl Set. This 8-piece set includes mixing bowls, a colander, sifter, and measuring cups, all in a space-saving nesting design. Stylish in mint and easy to use, it makes cooking, baking, and organizing simple and efficient. Cook crispy, delicious meals with the powerful Vuesign 6.8 QD10 in one air fryer. Featuring 10 cooking functions, fast 400 degrees Fahrenheit heating, a visible cooking window, and an adjustable bottom heater for extra crispy results. This 1700W air fryer makes healthy cooking easy and convenient. With a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and large 6.8 QD capacity, it's perfect for family meals. All for just $54. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with the JQ 4-tier rotating vegetable storage rack. Made from solid carbon steel, this no-assembly cart features smooth rolling wheels and spacious baskets for potatoes, onions, and fresh produce. Its sleek black design adds modern style while keeping everything within easy reach. Enjoy delicious homemade hot pot with the Dezen electric shabu shabu pot. Featuring a spacious 4-liter removable nonstick pot, it makes cooking and cleaning effortless. The dual power control lets you adjust heat for perfect simmering, while the tempered glass lid helps lock in flavor. Ideal for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, it brings warmth and convenience to every meal. Keep your favorite seasonings organized with this 3-grid seasoning box with tray. Designed for salt, pepper, sugar, and spices, it features individual compartments with spoons for easy serving. The hanging wall design or countertop placement offers flexible storage, while the fresh green finish adds a stylish touch to your kitchen decor. Cook healthier with the Kitchen Academy 10-piece ceramic cookware set. These non-stick, induction-ready pots and pans feature a non-toxic ceramic coating that's free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean, perfect for everyday cooking. Make delicious cake pops in minutes with the Baby Cakes Mini Cake Pop Maker, just $25. This easy-to-use machine bakes 9 perfect cake pops at once with a non-stick surface for effortless release and cleanup. Featuring a power light, non-skid feet, and included recipes, it's the fun and simple way to create sweet treats at home. Cook a variety of meals with this 3-quart electric hot pot wok. With 1200 W power, non-stick surface, and included steamer, it's perfect for stir-fries, soups, and hot pots. Comes with a silicone spatula, making it ideal for dorms, home use, or as a versatile gift for food lovers. Cook healthy, delicious meals with ease using the Bella 2-tier food steamer. Its stackable baskets let you steam multiple foods at once, saving time in the kitchen. The spacious 7.4-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, while the removable base ensures easy cleanup. With built-in auto shutoff and boil-dry protection, it's safe and reliable every time. All this convenience and versatility for just $39.99. Create fresh, plant-based drinks at home with this nut milk maker machine. With 8 presets and a high-speed blender, it easily makes soy, oat, and almond milk. Featuring auto-clean, delay start, and a 33 ounces capacity. Healthy, convenient, and perfect for dairy-free living. Chop and blend anywhere with this rechargeable mini food processor. With a 300 milliliters capacity and sharp stainless steel blades, it easily handles garlic, nuts, onions, meat, and spices. Cordless, compact, and BPA-free, it's perfect for quick prep at home or on the go. Meet the A-Feel Stand Mixer, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse. With 2 stainless steel bowls, 8.5 cutie plus 6 cutie, it's perfect for any batch size. This 7-in-1 multifunction mixer handles everything from dough and batter to meat grinding, pasta, and cookies. Powerful, versatile, and sleek in black. Upgrade your kitchen game with A-Feel today. Enjoy cleaner, fresher drinking water with the water filter pitcher with 150-gallon filtration. Featuring long-lasting 150-gallon filtration, fast purification technology, and WQA-certified performance, it helps remove chlorine, metals, and impurities for better-tasting water every day. Easy to use, reliable, and budget-friendly. All for just $28. Turn breakfast into something fun with the Starblue Double Waffle Bowl Maker. Create delicious Belgian waffle bowls in minutes, perfect for ice cream, fruit, and more. With 1200 W of power and an easy-to-use design, it's a creative kitchen must-have and a perfect gift idea for any occasion. Cook without the smoke with the BRET Portable Range Hood. This compact desktop exhaust fan features a 5-layer filter and powerful 3-speed control to remove smoke and odors fast. Designed for low noise and easy use, it includes an oil cup for clean cooking. Perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or indoor barbecue. Slice pizza effortlessly with the Kitchi Pizza Cutter Wheel, just $9. This heavy-duty slicer features a sharp stainless steel blade and an ergonomic non-slip grip for smooth, controlled cuts every time. Complete with a protective blade cover and dishwasher-safe design, it's the perfect simple tool for any pizza night. Melt, simmer, and cook delicate recipes with ease using the Farberware Classic 2-quart covered double boiler, just $61. Made from durable stainless steel with an aluminum core, it delivers fast, even heating for perfect sauces and melted chocolate. The versatile design works as both a saucepan and double boiler, making it a reliable, everyday kitchen essential. Slice fruits and veggies like a pro with this multi-handheld mandolin slicer, just $11. Featuring an adjustable stainless steel blade, it delivers precise, uniform cuts every time. Designed with a comfort grip and built-in safety features, it's easy to use, quick to clean, and perfect for fast, hassle-free meal prep. Cook perfect baked potatoes in minutes with the Yummy Can Potato Microwave Cooker. As seen on TV, it steams spuds to tender, fluffy perfection right in your microwave. Dishwasher safe, clear design makes cooking simple, quick, and mess-free. Ideal for holidays, gifts, or everyday meals. Bring leftover pizza back to life with the Pizza Pack Pizza Plate. This microwave and oven-safe metal tray helps reheat pizza with a crispy crust, while the silicone edge ensures safe handling. It's reusable, dishwasher safe, and perfect for quick, delicious reheating. Pour batter with precision using the 800 milliliters stainless steel pancake batter dispenser. Perfect for pancakes, crepes, waffles, cupcakes, and muffins. Features an easy flow spout and measuring gauge in ml and cups for mess-free, consistent baking every time. Meet the Hamilton Beach Portable 7-quart Programmable Slow Cooker, your go-to solution for effortless, delicious meals. With 3 temperature settings, it lets you cook everything from tender roasts to hearty stews with precision. The secure lid latch strap makes it perfect for travel, so you can take your dish to potlucks without spills. Plus, the dishwasher-safe crock ensures easy cleanup. Stylish, spacious, and incredibly convenient. This slow cooker makes home cooking simpler than ever. Wash and dry your greens in seconds with this stainless steel salad spinner, just $34. The 4.8-quart capacity and smooth crank design make cleaning vegetables quick and effortless. Featuring a BPA-free build, non-slip base, and transparent lid, it's durable, easy to use, and perfect for fresh, crisp salads every time. Make perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRMPT Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it easily creates tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without mess. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and built for convenience. Quick, fun, and perfect for every kitchen. Make perfect omelets and frittatas in minutes with the Holstein Housewares 2-section omelet maker. Featuring a non-stick coating for easy cleanup, indicator lights for precise cooking, and a compact design for simple storage. Prepare 2 portions at once, quick, versatile, and delicious every time. Keep your pantry neat with the Utopia Shelf Bin Packet Organizer. This 4-tier, stair-step bin holds tea bags, medicine, and more, keeping items visible and accessible. Made from BPA-free, durable plastic, perfect for kitchen cabinets and organized storage. Cook healthier meals with the Cook with Color 3L Glass Mini Rice Cooker. Perfect for low-carb living, it cooks up to 6 cups of rice with ease. Featuring a digital panel, keep warm function, auto lift filter basket, and steaming option, it's compact, versatile, and ideal for everyday cooking. Organize your spices in style with the 360 degrees rotating 2-tier spice rack. This revolving organizer holds 12 jars and spins effortlessly for easy access. Perfect for countertops or cabinets, it keeps your seasonings neatly arranged and within reach while cooking. Meet the Pato Ozone 310 Vacuum Blender. Blend smoother, richer, nutrient-packed drinks that stay fresh longer without separating. With powerful vacuum technology and an extra storage container, it's perfect for healthy, hassle-free blending every day. Add vintage charm to your kitchen with the Elite Gourmet Americana 50s Retro Toaster Oven. This mint-colored countertop oven bakes and toasts with 1,000 watts of power, fits an 8-inch pizza, and features adjustable temperature control with a 60-minute timer, perfect for quick, everyday meals in style. Mash with power and precision using the Joyeldelf Heavy-Duty Potato Masher, just $10. Built with durable stainless steel and a comfortable silicone handle, it effortlessly crushes potatoes, beans, vegetables, and more. Strong, reliable, and easy to use, it's the perfect tool for smooth, delicious results every time.